In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT prompts not loading. Let's get started. If your ChatGPT interface isn't loading your prompts, conversations, or history properly, it can be really frustrating. Thankfully, there are a few easy ways to troubleshoot and fix this issue on your browser. First, I'm going to check if an extension is interfering with the website. I'll navigate to the top right corner of my Google Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From here, I hover over Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. This opens up the Extensions page where I can see everything running in the background. Sometimes, ad blockers, VPN extensions, or other tools can break the ChatGPT user interface. To test this, I am going to disable my extensions one by one. Disabling these helps us determine if a third-party add-on is causing the loading loop. Once they are all turned off, I can open a new tab, navigate back to ChatGPT, and see if the page loads correctly. If it still isn't working, the problem might be cached data. To clear the cache, I'll click the three vertical dots in the top right corner again and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, I'll click on Privacy and Security. Next, I'll click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up menu will appear, giving me options on what to clear. I will make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and site settings are all checked. I'll change the time range to all time to ensure a complete clean, and then I'll click the Delete Data button at the bottom right. This clears out any corrupted temporary files that might be stopping ChatGPT from working. After deleting the data, I can open a new tab and return to ChatGPT. If the problem persists, it could be a widespread issue on OpenAI's side rather than a browser problem. I'll click on the official OpenAI status link at the very top of the results. This page shows the real-time operational status of all their services. I'll scroll down to the ChatGPT section and expand it to see the specific uptime metrics for components like conversations, logins, and the API. If everything shows green bars and a high uptime percentage, it means the servers are operating normally, and the issue is likely local to my setup. Since the servers are up, I will try using an incognito window to bypass any remaining local browser issues. I'll click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. In this fresh private browsing tab, I'll type ChatGPT into the search bar and click on the official website link. Operating in incognito ensures no leftover cache or cookies affect the page. Now that the page has loaded successfully, I'll click on the Login button in the top right corner. I'll choose Continue with Google, type in my email address, and click Next. Then, I'll enter my password and click Next once more. The page will redirect and log me back into my account. As you can see, the user interface loads perfectly now, displaying the message, "What's on the agenda today?" along with the text prompt box ready for input. By following these steps, you can easily get your ChatGPT prompts loading normally again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.